We're back today at the iconic engine bridge just behind me in Canmore, right on the Bow River. And we're going to my latest listing. It's in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Canmore, which is Lions Park. Lions Park is just a few blocks from downtown. And the listing we're going to today is an oversized pie-shaped lot, beautifully stunning south-facing views of the mountains, and just steps from our Canmore engine bridge. And we're going there right now. Welcome to 949 13th Street. We are on the valley floor in Lions Park, as I said earlier, and just steps from Main Street where you can do all your shopping, go out for restaurants and take a look at all the art galleries. We've also got very easy access to the Bow River. We are on a pie-shaped lot with laneway access, and that laneway goes directly to the engine bridge along the Bow River where we were earlier. And so we've got a double car garage in the back, pie-shaped lot, and some stunning, huge south-facing views with a beautiful back garden, one of the best back gardens I've ever seen in Canmore. And we're also just steps away from Lions Park itself. Now, Lions Park is a true neighborhood park. They are building some, extending the tennis courts right now, so we're gonna have more tennis courts there. We've got soccer fields and we've got a playing field as well. This is a split level bungalow and it's been completely renovated down to the studs. As soon as you walk onto this main floor, you'll notice just how much natural light is coming into this home. It's beautiful. We have some engineered hardwood floors in the living space, and then the living space flows very naturally into the kitchen. So the brand new kitchen was done by Bow Valley Kitchens, one of the premier kitchen cabinet makers in Canmore and the Bow Valley. We've got some beautiful quartz countertops. It overlooks the dining area and the living room. We've got a built-in microwave just here on the island, a gas stove, an undermounted sink, and then the stainless steel fridge freezer behind me. As I said earlier, this home has had extensive renovations. It was all done professionally by Impact Construction, and it's not just what you can see, feel, and touch. It also includes new wiring, new plumbing, a brand new roof, as well as new heating systems, and brand new windows to really enjoy those mountain views. Staying on the main floor, just off the dining room, we have this hallway behind me, and we have extra pantry cupboards off to the right. At the end of the hallway, we have two large bedrooms with large closets, and then we also have a four-piece washroom just off to my left. Just 6 steps down from the main entryway, we have the lower level, and down here we have this beautiful family room with the gas fireplace with ceramic tile surround just behind me. We've got room for an office. We have a bedroom just off to my left, a 3-piece washroom with a stand-up shower, the laundry room, and best of all, it's a walkout lower level to your beautiful backyard. So this deck is just off the dining room and kitchen, and then just down these steps we've got this beautiful wooden patio that's at ground level, and it really gives you an appreciation for the backyard. This is a fully fenced backyard, very private, very serene, and meticulously taken care of by the current owner. We've got some beautiful flower beds, we've got some heritage lilacs, and then we've got the mountain views to take in. As always, thanks for watching. My contact information is just below. If you'd like more information on this house or any other house in Canmore, feel free to contact me anytime. And as always, we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.